Greeting from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am Sugandhi, Department of Chemistry. Now I am going to explain about the topic solid waste management. This is the picture of solid waste management. There is paper, glass, plastic and metal. What is waste? Waste, also known as rubbish, trash, refuse, garbage, junk in any unwanted or useless materials is called as waste. Any materials unused and rejected as worthless or unwanted is termed as waste. What are the types of waste? Solid waste, liquid waste, gaseous waste, animal byproducts, biodegradable waste, chemical waste, commercial waste, biomedical waste and bulky waste. What is solid waste? Non-liquid, non-soluble materials ranging from municipal garbage to industrial waste that contain complex and sometimes hazardous substances. Solid waste also include garbage, rubbish, domestic products, sewage treatment residue, dead animals, manure and other discarded material. Sources: agriculture, fisheries, household, commercial and industry. Types. What are the types of waste? Household waste as municipal waste, industrial waste as hazardous waste, biomedical waste or hospital waste as infectious waste. First one is municipal solid waste. Municipal solid waste consists of household waste, construction and debris, sanitation residue, waste from streets. With rising urbanization and change in lifestyle and food habits, the amount of municipal solid waste has been increasing rapidly and its composition changing. Hazardous waste. Industrial and hospital waste is considered hazardous as they may contain toxic substances. Hazardous waste would be highly toxic to humans, animals and plants. They are corrosive, highly inflammable or explosive. In the industrial sector, the major generators of hazardous waste are the metal, chemical, paper, pesticide, dye and rubber goods industries. Direct exposure to chemicals in hazardous waste such as mercury and cyanide can be fatal. Hospital waste or biomedical waste. Biomedical waste means any waste which is generated during the diagnosis, treatment or immunization of human beings or animals or in research activities pertaining or the production or testing of biological biomedical waste rule 1998. It may include waste like sharp waste, pathological waste, pharmaceutical waste, genotoxic waste, chemical waste and radioactive waste, etc. Effects of solid waste. Health hazard. If solid waste are not collected and allowed to accumulate, they may create unsanitary conditions. This may lead to epidemic outbreaks. Many diseases like cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, jaundice or gastrointestinal diseases may spread and cause loss of human lives. In addition, improper handling of the solid waste is a health hazard for the workers who come in direct contact with the waste. Environmental impact. If the solid waste are not treated properly, decomposition and decay may take place. The organic solid waste during decomposition may generate intolerable odor. Waste management concept. There is 3R principle. There is reduce, reuse and recycle process. First picture is reduce, second one is reuse, the third one is recycle. Reduce. Disposable goods. Paper plate, paper bowl, cup, plastic spoon, roll of paper towels, paper napkin, durable goods, ceramic, plastic waste, metal spoon, etc. Recovery of 1 ton paper can save 17 trees. Reuse. Instead of buying new containers from the market, use the one that are in the house. Don't throw away the soft drink can or bottle cover them with homemade papers or paint on them and use them as pencil stands or small vases. Recycle. Use shopping bags made of cloth or or jute which can be used over and over. Solid waste management. Waste management is the storage, collection, transport and handling, recycling, disposal and monitoring of waste materials. Storage. There is storage, galvanized steel dustbin, paper sack, public bins. Collection. Collection, house to house collection, collection from the public bins. Waste handling and transport. Waste handling and separation involves activities associated with waste management until the waste is placed in storage container for collection. Handling also encompasses the movement of loaded container to the point of collection. Waste is transferred from a smaller collection vehicle to larger transport equipment. Recycling. Recycling refers to the collection and refuse of waste material such as empty container. The materials from which the items are made can be processed into new products. Materials for recycling may be collected separately from general waste using dedicated bins. Method of disposal. Dumping, controlled tipping or sanitary landfill, incineration, composting, manure pits and burial. Objectives. There is public hygiene and health, reuse, recovery and recycle, energy generation, sustainable development and aesthetics. First one is dumping. Low-lying areas, mainly for dry refuses, collected disposed by this method and reclaimed land given for cultivation. Unsanitary method, exposed to flies and rodents, nuisance, disposed by wind, pollution of surface water. Controlled tipping, sanitary landfill, satisfactory method. This one is material placed in a trench, compacted with earth at the end of the working day. Modified sanitary landfill where compaction and covering are accomplished once or twice a week. Third method, trench method, ramp method, area method. Refuse is compacted on its exposed surface with evacuated earth, that is 30 cm. Trench method. Long trench of 6 to 10 feet deep and 12 to 36 feet wide. Refuse is compacted and covered with evacuated earth. Refuse is filled up to 6 feet. It is estimated 1 acre of land per year for 10,000 population. Ramp method. Suited where the terrain is moderately sloping. Area method. Used for filling land dispersion, disused quarries and clay pits. Refuse is deposited, packed and consolidated in uniform layer for 6 to 8 feet. Each layer is sealed with a mud cover and at least 12 inches. Sealing prevents infestation by flies and rodents. Prevents nuisance of smell and dust. Changes: chemical, bacteriological, physical. The temperatures rise to over 60 degrees centigrade within 7 days and kill all pathogens and decomposition process. It takes 4 to 6 months for complete decomposition. This is the landfill picture. This is also the landfill. Third one is incineration. It is a disposal method in which solid organic wastes are subjected to combustion so as to convert them into residue and gaseous products. This process reduces the volumes of solid waste to 12 to 30 degrees of the original volume. Also described as thermal treatment. Where land is not available, hospital waste. Next one is composting. Methods of combined disposal of refuse and night soil and sludge. Principal byproducts are carbon dioxide, water and heat. End product, compost. Method, Bangalore method, mechanical composting, vermicomposting. Thank you for watching.